Okay, so the next song we're going to do is Gratitude by Brandon Lake, and it is in the key of C major. So you've already learned all those chords, but we are going to review the chords that Brandon Lake uses, and then there are a few times he breaks the rules and adds some cool chords at the very last chorus. So let's just get into what the chords are, then I'm going to show you the picking pattern. So, of course, we have C major, and then we have A minor, we have G major, and F major. And then, so that takes you through everything until the very end when he adds in G minor. So the way I like to think about G minor is I think about where G major is. So G major is in the 3rd fret. So G minor is also going to be beginning in the 3rd fret. However, I'm going to take finger 1 and bar the first 3 strings in that 3rd fret, and then I'm going to skip the 4th fret and go to the 5th fret on the D string with my ring finger. And that's G minor. The cool thing is this same shape is going to move down for our F. So that's F minor, and that's G minor. So this is a movable minor form, so I can go all up and down the neck with this form, and it's a minor chord. It's amazing. But I do want to show you how when you're on the F major, you're already in this place for the F, so just bar and take off your middle finger. So you got G minor and F minor, and then you already know all the other chords. So now I'm going to show you the picking pattern, which remember on your sheet, I have it tabbed right next to the chords, and T stands for thumb. So the pattern is thumb on my D string, my finger 1 on my G string, and finger 2 on my B string. So the pattern is thumb, 1, thumb, 1, thumb, 2. And remember to keep that pinky down to help you have an anchor and keep your hands nice and keep your fingers curved. And then the rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and. And I'm gonna do that 4 times on each chord. So if I was doing it on the C chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and here's the 4th time. So I'm going to go through the first verse because verse 1 and verse 2 and verse 3 all do the exact same pattern. So I'm just going to do verse 1. So we'll start on our C major, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now G major, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go to F major, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it is faster, and so the speed you need to start, once you get that down, that's going to be the speed you're going to want to get to. Okay, so then in the chorus, we go to a strum pattern, 1, 2, and 3 and 1, 2, and 3 and 1, 2, and 3 and 1, 2, and 3 and. And you do it 4 times per chord. So it starts out with the C, 1, 2, 3, 4, the G major, 2, F major, A minor, and to the G major, so you just do 2 on each of those, and then you repeat all that. So on the hallelujah, the first hallelujah is F4/4, and then you split the A minor and the G. And I have, of course, I just now did it. I put some brackets around the A and the G, so you remember that they share 2 A's and 2 G's. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do on this part.